Hello everyone, so this is your teacher in accounting, Sir Cyrus, and I am here to conduct a review for your quiz on this week, right? On Wednesday and Thursday. So, ginawa ko to para sa mga introvert naman or sa mga gustong balikan yung review natin ay yung lesson natin kanina and kahapon. Okay? So, let's start. So, let's say you have here a transaction from day 1 to day 12. Basahin muna natin yung ano ba yung nangyari. Okay? So, si Mr. X daw nag-establish a sole proprietorship engaged in buying and selling goods. The business officially commenced operation on day 1. Below are the transaction that occurred from day 1 to day 12. And reflecting typical activities in merchandising business such as capital investment, sale of goods, equipment acquisition, etc. and more. Okay? Now let's start. On transaction day 1 to 12, on day 1, we have Mr. X invested 650,000 pesos cash into the business. Ano, ito yung pinakamadali, di ba? Kasi just need to increase the cash. Okay, given naman dito, di ba? Nag-invest siya ng cash. Okay. Tanggalan natin yung none. O, diba? Nag-invest siya ng cash ng 650,000. So, saan yun? Mapupunta dito sa table natin. So, ilagay natin dito is yung day 1, we have 650,000 pesos. That is positive. Okay? Wala tayo dito ilalagay. So, this is 0, 0, and 0. Notes payable, wala din. So, this is capital. 650,000. Drawings, wala. Revenue, wala. And expenses, wala. Kung titingnan nyo, balance pa rin ang equation natin. 650,000 sa assets and on receivable 650,000. So, yung pag-check po natin is dapat po tama yung position nito kung saan nakalagay or location and ito. So, that is equivalent to 1 point. Okay, dapat po pareho tama. Paano sir kung mali yung nalagay mo sa isa? Kunyari, nalagay mo dito is 200,000. Dito tama. So, lahat na po ng day 1 is mali. Okay, ang pag-check po natin is day 1, check po yan as 1 point. 1 point lang. Okay? Day 2. What if on day 2, ang nangyari was, bumili ka ng equipment worth 75,000 paid in cash. Bumili ka ng equipment, ilan ang worth 75,000, binayaran mo ng cash. Once tayo na nagbayad ng cash, ibig sabihin po yan, nabawasan po ang cash natin ng 75,000. Okay? So, ilagay natin dito doon. Bumili ka ng equipment, 75,000. And that is 0. Pwede din hindi natin lagyan ng 0. No? Oops, dito. Diba? Bumili tayo ng equipment gamit ang cash. So, babawasan natin to 75,000. Accounts payable 0. Notes payable 0. And 0 0. Okay. 0 and 0. Okay. Balance ba ang equation natin? Opo. Kasi pag inad mo yung 75,000 sa negative 75,000, that is equal to 0. 0 din ang asset natin. 0 din ang owner's equity. Now, let's proceed to the other transaction, which is, what if nag-purchase tayo ng another office equipment worth 18,000? Pero on account. Since sabi ng problem, on account, meaning po yan, nag-utang tayo. Okay? Tayo yung umutang, na-receive natin yung equipment, ilan ang worth? 18,000. Equipment, that is 18,000, lagay natin dito. 18,000. Dito lagay natin 0. 0 0, and 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. Umutang tayo, so ang accounts payable natin ay madadagdagan. That is 18,000. Balance pa rin? Okay, balance pa rin. Kasi asset is equal to liabilities and plus owner's equity. So 18,000 sa kabila, 18,000 sa kabila. Okay, what if on day 4? Day 4, nakabenta tayo ng inventories for 85,000 pesos cash. Since nakabenta tayo ng inventories, ang worth is 85,000, madadagdagan ng ating cash na 85,000. 0 accounts receivable, 0 equipment, 0, 0, goods payable 0, 0, and revenue meron tayong 85,000. Okay? So, ito yung nangyari, di ba? On day 4, check natin. Day 4, nagbenta tayo ng inventories for 85,000 pesos cash. So, may na-receive tayong pera, 85,000. And may nabenta tayo. So, that is kita, 85,000. Day 5, anong gagawin natin sa day 5? Nakabenta tayo ng inventories, pero sa ngayon ay utang ng customer. Kasi sabi nga, on account. Diba? Ayan, sinabi on account. Highlight natin. On account, that is 55,000. So, gawin natin. Wala tayong dito ilalagay kasi nag-utang yung customer natin. So, that is accounts receivable of 55,000. 0, 0, 0, 0. And revenue. Kasi nga, tumaas yung kita natin. So, 0. How about on day 6? Day 6, kinolekta natin yung utang ng customer. Di ba kanina, on day 5, meron utang yung customer natin ng 55,000. So, on day 6, kinolekta natin yung utang niya. Di ba pag nagkolekta tayo ng utang ng customer, may nadadagdagan tayong pera. So, 40,000. 40,000 pesos. That is the amount na kinolekta natin. And 0 kasi, this is negative 40,000. Bakit? Kasi nga, ito yung kinolekta natin. Ilan na lang yung tirang kailangan nating i-kolekta? That is 15,000. So, kinolekta natin yung 40,000. Okay. So, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0, and 0. Okay? Day 6 po. Huwag po malilito. Kinolekta lang natin yung utang ng customer from day 5, which is 55,000. And 55,000, kinolekta natin yung 40,000. So, that is, ito po ang mangyayari. 40,000 sa cash, kinolekta natin. And 40,000 na binawas natin yung utang ng customer. Okay. 17. Paid 12,500 pesos utilities. Nagbayad tayo ng 12,500 pesos sa utilities. So, mababawasan to. Ito. Ito. And utilities po is an expense. For example, yung kuryente, diba, tubig, etc. So, that is the amount, 12,500. Okay? 12,500 ang binawas natin. Okay, day 8. Day 8, okay, para hindi, paid 18,000 liability from day 3. Asan yung day 3 natin? Ito. Ilan yung utang natin from day 3? That is 18,000. Okay? 18,000 po ang utang natin. So, lagyan natin ng highlight para hindi kami lito. And day 3. Kailan alin yung binayaran natin? Day 3, that is 18,000. Ilan yung total na binayaran natin? 18,000 pesos. So, that is 18,000. Binayaran natin pag nagbabayad tayo, syempre, babawasan yung pera natin ng 18,000. Hindi siya accounts receivable, hindi equipment. Accounts payable. May utang tayo, diba? Nakikita nyo naman to. May 18,000. Binayaran natin yan. So, that is 18,000. Okay? So, 0 na dito. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, let's try to the solve number 9. Si Mr. X ay nag-withdraw ng 20,000 pesos cash for personal use. Okay. Ito yung pinakamadali kasi pag nag-withdraw tayo ng pera, mababawasan yung cash natin sa business, and this is I drawings. Withdraw na, diba? Withdraw. Ilagay mo na agad yung 20,000 sa cash. Nabawasan yung business natin, pera sa business. 20,000, 0, 0, 0, 0, and this is negative 20,000, 0, 0, and 0. Day 10. Ano ang nangyari sa day 10? Day 10, we have nag-acquire ulit tayo ng additional equipment worth 60,000. Okay? 60,000. Take note of 60,000, and binayaran natin na 20,000 pesos in cash. Okay? Tapos, yung remaining balance kung napapansin nyo, ay ginawa natin ng note payable. Ilan yung remaining balance nito? So, 60,000 minus 20,000. Lagyan natin para hindi kayo malito. So, 60,000 ba? 60,000 minus 20,000. Okay? So, anong nangyari doon? Ito pa na. Okay, sorry. 60,000 ba? Minus 20,000. Ilan yung remaining balance? That is 40,000. Ito yung magiging notes payable natin. And ito yung cash natin. Kasi ito yung nakuha nating pera. And ito yung increase sa equipment. Okay. Ilagay na natin yung amount. 60,000 equipment. Diba? Tumaas yung equipment natin. 60,000. Tapos, binayaran natin ng, diba, paid. Ano sabi? Paid. Binayaran natin ng 20,000. So, mababawasan ang cash natin ng 20,000. And take note, ang utang natin ay 40,000 from notes payable. Tumaas ang utang natin 40,000. Kung mapapansin mo, balance po, no? 60,000 minus 20,000, that is 40,000. And 40,000 din sa kabila. Okay. Day 11. Nag-utang ulit tayo sa bangko ng note payable and naka-receive tayo ng cash. Siyempre, pa nag-utang tayo, may ma-receive tayong 120,000. And tumaas din ulit yung utang natin ng 120,000. Okay? Kahit hindi nyo nalagyan ng 0, pero for presentation, lagay natin. Ibig sabihin lang po yan, wala tayong nadagdag na amount siya. Okay? What if on day 12? Okay, day 12, andito. Binayaran natin ng 20% ang note payable natin. Okay, 20% ng 120,000. Ito lang po yan, no? 20% na 120,000. Ilagay nyo po sa calculator. Ganito po ilagay nyo sa calculator. 0.20 times 120,000. Ang makukuha nyo po dyan is 24,000 pesos. Okay? Ganyan po yan sa calculator. So, ilagay natin yung amount. That is 20% ng 120,000. Yan po ang binayad natin sa payable natin. That is 24,000. So, 0, 0, 0. Ito ang notes payable natin. So, that is 24,000. And this is 0, 0, 0, and 0. Binayaran natin. So, magbabawasan din ito. Negative 24,000. Now, sa quiz po, no, ang tanong po doon is how much is the total asset that is worth 100 points? 10 points lang pala. Katakot naman si Sarah. So that is 10 points. How much is the total liabilities? How much is the owner's equity? Ganun lang po, no? So that is equal to, i-add lang po natin gamit ang calculator. Wag po mano-manohin kasi kayo din po ang malulugi. You're allowed to use calculator but not cellphone. Okay, so add natin 650,000 minus 75,000 plus 85,000 plus 40,000 minus 12,500 minus 18,000 minus 20,000 minus 20,000 minus 120,000. No, that is plus. Okay, plus 120,000 and minus 24,000, that is equal to 725,000. Okay, double check natin, no? Ito yung ginagawa ko rin para sigurado. 650,000 minus 75,000 plus 85,000 plus 40,000 minus 12,500 minus 18,000 minus 20,000 minus 20,000 plus 120,000 minus 24,000, that is equal to 725,500. Okay, tingnan nyo, muntik na tayo magkamali doon. Okay, try natin to. Accounts receivable, ilan na lang yung tira natin? 55,000 minus 40,000, that's equal to 15,000. How about equipment? Meron tayong 75,000 minus 18,000 minus 60,000. That is, no, sorry. We add this. Wala pong mina-minus dito, sorry po. Okay, 75,000 plus 18,000 plus 60,000. We have 153,000. Okay, wala po tayong mina-minus sa equipment. That is always positive. Depende na lang kung may depreciation tayo. Pero usually, wala po ito, no? 75,000 plus 18,000 plus 60,000, 153,000. Okay. Accounts payable tayo, 0 kasi 18,000 minus 18,000. How about notes payable? 40,000 plus 120,000 minus 24,000, that is equal to 136,000. And 650,000. May binayaran. Oh no. Mali ang nalagay natin dito. Saan ba ito natin? 20,000 day 9? Kaya alam ko na, sinabi niyo kan sir. Sir, sabi mo yung withdrawal is sa drawings. Okay. Very good. This is drawings on day 9. Tingnan nyo, no? Napawagan ni sir yung mali niya. So, this is drawings. 20,000. So, this is 650,000. Alam ko na kayo. Nakita nyo, mali ko, Kanina nyo pa ako sinasabihan, sir, mali yung drawings mo, sir. Okay, yan po, 20,000. Hindi, okay, wag na. Okay, next, we have revenue. 85,000 plus 55,000. That is equal to 140,000. And we have expenses of 12,500. Now, let's try to balance. How much is the total asset? how much is the liabilities, and owner's equity. Okay, asset, we have 725,000 plus 153,000, that is equal to, okay, tama na, ito yung asset natin. 725,000 plus 15,000 plus 153,000, that equal to 893,000. How about liabilities? That is equal to 136 and 0. Okay, ito yung liabilities natin. Yes, 136,000. And owner's equity natin ay ilan? Ito. So, lagay natin yung highlight. So, 650,000 minus 20,000 plus 140,000 plus 12,500. That is 782,000. 782,500. Okay. Erase natin to para hindi kayo malito. Okay, kung titingnan nyo po, pag in-add nyo tong owner's equity, add nyo ito dito, trend. Babayin na lang natin. Itong owner's equity and liabilities, pag in-add nyo to, dapat mag-equal doon sa asset. So, 782,500 plus 136,000, that is equal to 918,500. May mali tayo, okay. Hanapin natin ang mali natin. Nangyayari po talaga yan. Saan tayo nagkulang at nagkamali? Okay, possible to mangyari sa quiz nyo pa nagkakamali kayo. Ang suggest ko lang po is wag po mag-panic. So, try natin dito. 160, 124, 136. Tama to. 650, 20, and double check natin. 650 minus 20,000 plus 140,000. Okay, ito. This is negative. Di ba? Ganyan po yung nangyayari na pag nagpanic ka po. So, huwag ka po magpapanik. So, minus 12,500. That is 57, 77, 500. Ayun, nag-balance. And also ito, this is 500. Okay na. Tingnan mo. Diba? Huwag po tayong magpapanik kasi mas nakukuha natin. Ilan ang owner's equity natin? 650,000 minus 20,000 plus 140,000 minus 12,500. That is equal to 757,500. And how much is the total liabilities? We have 136,000. And if we add these two, plus 136,000, that is equal to 893,500. Okay, this is, we will highlight and highlight natin to. Sir, kanina sir, nilagay mo dyan is 893,000 lang, walang 500. Okay. So then now, may 500 yan kasi 725. 500. Okay, yun din ang nakulang natin. Plus 15,000 plus 150,000, that is equal to 893. So, balance. This is worth 10 points. This is 10 points. and this is 10 points. Yun lang na nakuha natin. That is equal to 30 points. And plus ito, tigo 1 point to 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point hanggang day 12. That is 12 points. So that is equal to 42 points. Again, pinakita ko sa inyo yung way, yung mga possible mangyari during quiz. Possible po magkamali din kayo na tulad ng napagkamali ko din, because there are numbers na malilito talaga tayo, hindi natin nalagyan ng negative. May mga numbers na may 500 pala, so ingatan nyo rin yun. So I guess that's it. So sana ma-perfect yung exam ay yung quiz. This is 20% of your grade. Okay, so good luck. Again, these are the transaction. This is only a practice, no, for your quiz and review. Okay, thank you for listening, and I hope may natutunan kayo. So again, this is Sir Cyrus. Good luck.